Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the yen pairs made a very nice move to the upside last night, and if you've been following along with my yen videos, you know that I'm telling everybody to look for long on the yen pairs right now. Now I do expect that this is either a 1, 2, 3 like this, or possibly an A, B, C like this, but we do have to realize on the monthly time frame that the trend is up. Oftentimes what we think is a wave B or a wave 2 will just keep on trending up, which is why we're going to continue to look for longs on sort of time frames until we can identify the end of a wave B or the end of a wave 2. Going down to the weekly time frame is where you can kind of see this a little more clearly. Like I said, I think it's either an A, B, C or a 1, 2, 3. Either way, an A, B, C and a 1, 2, 3 makes the exact same pattern until you get about two-thirds through this third wave, which is why I do not think it's important to know as of this point whether we're looking at an A, B, C or a 1, 2, 3. Going down to the daily time frame, I still think this looks like an A. I still think this looks like an A of B, B of B, lower low, lower low. That's a big clue that it's probably an expanding flat, and that this is potentially now going up for a wave C of wave B. Now, like I was saying on the monthly time frame, sometimes what we think is a wave B or maybe even a wave 2 actually is the continuation of the uptrend. But guess what? Ever since this thing broke structure on the sort of time frames several weeks ago, I have been doing nothing but looking for logs on sort of time frames. So if it just keeps on trending up, then that's actually like a bonus trade for me. On the other hand, if it gives us a nice Fibonacci bounce, especially if it's at a key level, which the 178, 161.8 are definitely key levels for an expanding flat, then it goes down and breaks structure, then guess what? We'll start looking for sorts in a downtrend. So either way, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, my structure is way down here now, which means that even if it does pull back, I almost guarantee that it's going to have to make a new higher low. You know, it kind of looks like a 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5 since the end of this last correction. Like I've been saying, if you've been following along with my videos, you know that I've been saying for weeks now that every single pullback I'm looking at is possibly a correction to the last move up. Pullback, correction to the last move up. Pullback, correction to the last move up. Definitely people are overcomplicating this. Only thing I'm doing right now is looking for pullback entries on sort of time frames to go long. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is definitely a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is for sure a wave 3. This wave 3 may not even be over. I mean, it could stretch out quite a bit more. Eventually, it probably is going to make a move down, which I do not think is going to be desirable to sort because most likely it's a wave 4 and most likely back up for a wave 5. I think at this point that 178.6 Fibonacci extension way up here around the 153 153.3 area is probably almost definitely going to get hit. So I would for sure continue to look for longs every single chance I got. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.